1, North Finch.
Please stand clear. Next station is Spadina. Spadina Station. Change for line 2.
University, the delivery we're experiencing northbound, but our St. Clair station is now clear. And regular service time, you should begin the delay experiencing westbound there. St. Clair station is now clear. And regular service.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8,
Arriving
9,
at
10, 11, 12,
Spadina.
13, 14,
Spadina Station. Change here for line 2. Doors will open on the right.
So 14 now.
Line 1, North Finch.
Please stand clear of the doors.
Oh, yes, there are.
Next station is St. George. St. George Station. Change for line 2.